What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Danielle. I am the owner of the Millie Life and the Millie Life YouTube channel. If you are new here, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and new exercise videos every Friday. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss out. At the end of this video, if you like the content, go ahead and give that video a big thumbs up. Below, I've got all my Millie Life apparel, my riding gear, my recording gear. Check that out. They're all linked in the description below. Today, we are headed out to Quantico Harley Davidson. I'm gonna be riding passenger at the start of this video, and then we're getting my bike back. She's fixed. So I'm super, super pumped to have her back. It's been about a week and the weather's been beautiful. I'm actually gonna go change into a t-shirt because it's hot. Come along with us, super pumped. Also got a nice face tattoo here, but that'll be for a later video. Tealing up right now. Totally kidding. So this is Matt and I leaving Harley Davidson of Quantico. Thank you guys so much. Look at this skinny little gap. Whew. I was hella nervous going through this, but hey, we made it. No bikes were harmed in the making of this video. Woo! She's back and she feels so good. She sounds so much better than the audio that I recorded for this vlog. So I'm bringing you a voiceover instead. I'm gonna have to dig a little deeper, see what's going on with my recorder, and maybe invest in some new equipment. I thought that Harley might fill up the tank with the 10,000 mile service, but nope, I was at 14 miles till empty, so first stop is the gas station. I got the 10,000 mile service on my bike. They changed all the fluids. They took a look at the wheel bearings, see if there's anything going on there. ABS sensor wasn't in the right place. And they did the whole 10,000 mile service. It was great not to hear that squealing noise, so I'm not sure what they did, but it is no longer squealing. The turning feels pretty good overall. I think I am just out of practice. I need to get to a parking lot and practice some of my turns with the bike, especially some of those sharper turns. That seems to be what's getting me. It is a beautiful day to ride. It is almost 90 degrees here, so it felt fantastic. We saw a PT Cruiser on the way home with the lovely wood paneling, and it was for sale. So do you think we should snag that? You know, start another channel with the PT Cruisers, or should we make a tour of PT Cruiserville Part 2? If you missed my first one, I'll link it above. But beautiful day to ride. I am so freaking pumped to have my bike back and to feel safe. So I don't know if they did anything or if it's just the psychological effect of having a certified mechanic look and work on the bike and to know that it is safe to ride and ready to go. And no squealing noise, so that obviously made me feel very much at ease. These are some of the beautiful twisties that we take to get out to Quantico Harley Davidson. Super fun road. I got to do this with my husband, which it is always fun to ride with him. And if those of you who are still wondering about why I have a Band-Aid on my face, it is not a tattoo. I had a mole scratched off. Fun adult things. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so freaking much for tuning in. You guys freaking rock. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. And until next time, I'm Danielle. This is the Millie Life, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.